Hello everyone, my name is Rodney. I'm from Formula Lookout, and in today's video, we're going to go through a post by one of the Monday users in the Monday community. So it says here, copy sub items from another board by a connected item column. Okay, so if you go through the concern, right, you can go through that first. But in summary, what the user wants to happen is to have a connected column. Ultimately, all the sub items in one of the item from board A be connected to board B. So when we do that in Monday natively, you'd have a connected boards column. So that will give you the capability to have a particular board connected to another board, and then it will also ask you which particular item you'd like it to be connected to. But it looks like he's having a problem, all right, because he also tried sub item auto integration and it was limited. So there's a suggestion here to use Make, but we're not going to go through this because Make's another platform and it's another setup. So let's try to recreate the scenario here. So we have board A and board B. All right. This time we're going to use a particular app called Same Item Multiple Boards, developed um, by Formula Lookout. Let's look for it here. If you don't have that installed, let's look for it in the Monday Marketplace, and this is how it looks like. All right. So you have a install button here. Right now it has a lot of installs and also a 5-star rating. So just go ahead and install that, and then once you have that installed, you can go ahead and start using it. So let's try adding an item 1. Okay, so board 2 is still empty, right? So board B is still empty, and we are on board A. This is board A. And let's start adding sub items. So sub item 1, and then maybe another one, sub item 2. Okay. All right. So this time, how to use the app. All right. All you have to do is click on the open the item. All right. I have here of item view for same item multiple boards already because I've got installed. But if you don't have that yet, just click on the add view and look for the app. Same item multiple boards and add to item. All right. So once you have that, you'll get this. Actually, I'll go through the authorization first. So just authorize the app to make changes to your Monday account, right? And then next screen you'll see is this one. Your item doesn't live on other boards yet. So there's also a chat box on the lower right if you have questions about using the app. But this is very easy, very user friendly. Just make it live on the other board, all right? So when you click on that, you'll have an option to include sub items. So let's look for that board first. Okay, board B. That will be here, actually, board B. Okay, so we're clicking on that, and it's now in the process of adding that item to that other board. All right, now it's added. We didn't click on the include sub items yet, but we can still turn it on here. Okay, so we can see an alert new sub items on this item will appear on all other locations, not only on one board. All right, you could add other board and have the shared sub items appear on them. Now let's visit board B. We can see that it's already here, and there you go. So we have the 2 sub items on it. Let's try to add another one, sub item, okay, sub item 3. Okay, and then let's check. There you go. So you can see how that happened. So right here, from where we are, we can already see that this has met the requirement by the user to have the 2 boards connected, all right, without a need for an additional column called connect boards. So just in case you're interested, you can also sync actually the column changes. So status change to status here, all right, status when working on it. Okay, and including updates, all right, so that's another feature of this app that's not in the connected boards native function of monday.com. All right, so again, this is Rodney, and I hope this was a helpful video for all of you Monday users, new Monday users out there who's trying to sync boards, 2 or more boards for their items. All right, have a nice day, everyone. Thanks.